Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to fix stiff neck. A stiff neck can be extremely painful and debilitating. It can prevent you from turning your head without experiencing a sharp pain, and the constant discomfort can make it nearly impossible to concentrate on the tasks at hand. In some cases, the pain may even extend to one or both shoulders and cause a lingering headache. If you have frequently been dealing with a stiff neck, you should take it as a wake-up call from your body telling you to reduce your load and take things a little easier. You should consult a doctor to check whether your stiff neck is being caused by a spinal condition and get proper treatment if needed. However, if it is occasional, all you have to do is rest and use any of the following home remedies and exercises to fix a stiff neck. Home remedy number 1: heat therapy. Heat therapy will ease out the tension from your muscles and let them relax. Heat a rice compress in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Place the warm compress on your neck for 15 minutes at a time. Home remedy number 2: Epsom salt. You have probably soaked in an Epsom salt bath from time to time for your overall health. But did you know that an Epsom salt soak can also help you to fix a stiff neck? Fill your bathtub with warm water. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt and mix it until it dissolves. Soak in the warm bath for 15 to 20 minutes. Home remedy number 3: apple cider vinegar. Raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar can truly be called a health elixir, as it can be used to treat a wide variety of internal and external conditions. Soak a paper towel in raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and wring out the excess liquid. Apply it on your stiff neck and leave it for a couple of hours. Home remedy number 4: turmeric. Turmeric has a wide variety of uses and health benefits, so it is also beneficial for stiff neck problem. Heat 1 glass of milk in a microwave or a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Stir to mix the powder in well. Drink it twice daily. Home remedy number 5: massage. When it comes to dealing with stiffness or pain in the neck, nothing can be better than a massage. Warm 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in the microwave for 30 seconds. Add 2 or 3 drops peppermint essential oil to the warm olive oil and mix well. Massage the oil blend into the stiff area in gentle circular motions. Continue for 10 minutes. Home remedy number 6: cold compress. If you do not find relief using a warm compress, we suggest that you make a cold compress and apply it to the affected area. Put at least 7 or 8 ice cubes inside a Ziploc bag and seal it shut. Place a folded hand towel over the affected area, then put the ice pack on top. Keep it there for about 15 minutes. Home remedy number 7: cayenne pepper. You can also use cayenne pepper powder to get relief from a stiff neck naturally. Mix 1 teaspoon of organic cayenne pepper powder with just enough extra virgin olive oil to make a loose paste. Mix well and apply it on the affected area. Exercise number 1: neck stretching. Sit up straight. Slowly nod your head forward and backward at least 15 to 20 times. Then nod your head sideways to the left and right an equal number of times on both sides. Once you feel that your muscles are loosening up, turn your head completely to your right and then to your left. Take it slow and easy, as it may hurt. Repeat the exercise at least 20 times and then rest. Perform this set every 3 to 4 hours to get rid of a stiff neck. Exercise number 2: neck rotating. Sit up straight. If the stiffness is on the left side of your neck, take a deep breath and tilt your head to the right until your right ear touches your right shoulder. If the problem is on the right side, simply reverse the direction. Breathe deeply, rotate your head and look down toward the center of your chest. Do this at least 5 times. Repeat this exercise every 2 to 3 hours throughout the day to get relief from a stiff neck. If you have frequently been dealing with a stiff neck, you should take it as a wake-up call from your body telling you to reduce your load and take things little easier. However, if it is occasional, all you have to do is rest and use any of the following home remedies and exercises to fix a stiff neck. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.